现在咱们给讲解一下这个全进口挖掘机啊，它是商用的，工作啊。Everybody right now, hands up, hands up. Everybody know, let me see your hands up. Put your hands, your hands, your hands up. Right now, hands up. Oh yeah.